guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to delete, how to reset Safari browser search history on iPhone and iPad. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Tap on the settings app on your iPhone and iPad. Little bit scroll up to find Safari and tap on it. Little bit again scroll up, clear history and website data. Little bit again scroll up, tap on advanced, tap on website data. You can see appears on screen remove all website data. You can see appears on screen this will clear data that could be used for tracking but is also used by website to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. Tap on remove now, go back, scroll up, tap on clear history and website data, all history, today and yesterday history, today history, last hour history, close all tabs, clear history. You can see appears on screen. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset, delete Safari search history on iPhone and iPad. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.